Hello everyone, welcome to MyProfitSee Support Portal. Today we'll be showing you how to create custom client dashboards that allow your business clients to view their financial health at any time. Once you've chosen a client's company, select the Reports tab at the bottom of the left-hand navigation panel. Click on the Client Dashboard section. Next, to get started, select Create Client Dashboard on the right-hand side and you'll be asked to enter the client's email. You will then create a password for the client, which they can change after logging in. After that, enter their name and then choose the appropriate branding you want for them. Then checkmark the box to send an email notification to the client, letting them know they now have access to their dashboard. Lastly, a screen will appear showing you the permissions granted to the new user. This is where you have the ability to make changes so that you're comfortable with the amount of access they have. This is important because any changes made by the user in the client dashboard will also be reflected in your dashboard. Click Save to finalize any changes you make, and your client is now ready to access their own custom client dashboard. If you have any questions, please visit support.myprofitsee.com or reach out to us at support@myprofitsee.com. Thanks for watching.